What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, boy, did we have a day when it came to cryptocurrency. We also had a day when it came to, the stock market, but we're going to stick to crypto right now. We've seen some massive sell-offs, basically all before some people even were awake. I start streaming at 7:30 every day, and there was a lot of movement. And if I tell you that I woke up to a crazy amount of messages in the Discord group, just text messages, mentions, anything that were really talking about crypto and how Doge was really making negative moves and Ethereum and Bitcoin and all of these different positions. It was crazy, right? But the question I got the most is, I need to, get out of crypto. Is Doge done? Like, I'm going to get out of, Bitcoin, Ethereum, all of this stuff. There were people that were panicking and they were asking, is Doge over? Is it finished? Are we not going to see any type of growth because it's decreasing so much? And I even got some people come out and say, where are all the Doge people now? Where's the Doge army now? And I was just like, this doesn't make sense for you to call out one specific position while the overall sector, the crypto sector, is decreasing at a massive scale. So it's hard to basically say that something is not going to really do anything, right? So I wanted to make this video to talk about Doge and let you know that it's not over. Like, it's not even close to being over. This is a mere correction that was created by a number of things, but nothing that we can 100% predict what was behind it. But the good thing is, if you didn't buy Dogecoin, if you didn't buy any of your cryptocurrency, you made a stupid move today. I feel like it would have been best, especially if you were not in crypto at all. This is the perfect time to buy. I was saying that it was due for a pullback. The way that we were seeing a lot of things fluctuate, we were due for a pullback. So if you didn't invest in Doge today, you're stupid. I'm sorry. If you didn't, and I just called you stupid, I'm sorry for saying that. But seriously, it's not the right thing to write things off. I understand that there's a sell-off, right? You're going to see this huge sell-off that we did see all the way down to 19 cents. From 73 to 19 cents sounds horrible. We haven't even had the main catalyst that we want. So we know that this is going to be a big move. So before I actually dive into what happened today and everything like that, make sure you guys hit that like button. Also hit the subscribe button. I know I just called some people stupid, but still hit the like button. It was just a dumb move to write it off. So hopefully while we were streaming, you actually got a gist of what was going on there and got my opinion when it came to some of this stuff, because I did express my opinion strongly. So before I get started in this, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you get your free stocks with Webull down below. Don't forget to check out some of the links. There's a lot of links where you can get free stuff, credit card referral links, and if you want to sign up as a member in the Discord group or a member on YouTube, definitely do that. That'll be down there as well. Don't forget to check out some of my other channels that I have across YouTube. But we're going to talk about this, Dogecoin. Obviously, we seen in the morning, really before people were awake, we seen a massive downturn. It was up here at this 42-cent mark, which is not really that high, but it is still, relatively in the middle of where we were. So from that 4-cent mark or 1-cent mark all the way up to like 70 cents, we're kind of in the middle at 40 or 30 cents, somewhere around there, right? So we're happy there. But we've seen that fall off dramatically, and this is where people were like, oh, Doge is over, it's decreasing so much. Had a little bit of a rally here, a little bit, but then ended up falling stronger and stronger. And these candlesticks were absolutely ridiculous the way that they were falling, all the way down to 19 cents. Now, at these points, throughout the whole entire live stream that I was doing, I was saying, this is a point to buy. This looks amazing. This is when you're going to get into this. This is going to be great, because even today alone, it's going to increase. Whenever it does get to that ultimate bottom, it's going to increase. And I was telling people to buy all of these different things, and it was not advice. It was merely just my opinion. I guess some people just didn't end up looking at that as an opportunity. They thought, oh, well, you know what? It's going to go lower. And understood. I totally understand what you're thinking, that it is going to go lower. You're hoping that you can get in at the absolute low, but nobody can be able to predict this. So find a way in. I feel like a lot of the positions that were out there, they were definite buys at a lot of these prices. So after it hit that low, you've seen it start to settle down, start to recover, and get, from 19 cents, literally in the same candlestick, all the way up to 29 cents. So you've seen it make its move in 10 cents, which would have been a big gain for you depending how much you put in there. So as you started to see this grow, it continued to move up. It did fluctuate, fall back down a little bit, settle, and then increase up to that 43-cent mark. Right now, it's hovering around 38 cents, and you could have gained a lot from it. And also, you could have lowered your cost basis, bought in very, very low compared to some of the other people that bought in at 70 cents. To tell you the truth, this is not over. It's not. You look at Dogecoin as a whole and you see the strength. It's going to be here to stay. I don't know if it's going to hold strength above, $3 or so, but I definitely believe that it will get to $3 and probably, stay flat around that $2.50, $3 mark. I'm not 100% sure where it's going to stay at, depending what the supply and demand is, how that 5.2 billion that comes in every year will settle. But ultimately, it's going to be a very great deal. We still have the catalysts that come up. We still have Elon Musk to come out and say that he's going to, they're going to basically bring on Doge. He's constantly tweeting. He tweeted like diamond hands or something today that I think I retweeted. But he has yet to come out and say this about Tesla, that they're going to be accepting Doge. We haven't had the catalyst of Coinbase putting it on Coinbase. Also, other businesses as well. It's just, we haven't had these catalysts yet. You can't say that it's done. Something like Ethereum, Bitcoin, all of those, crypto in general was due for a correction. It really was, because it was growing at an exponential rate, a rate that just we couldn't really handle. So I'm not saying that it's over. I will never, say that it's over unless I do actually believe that it's over. And I'm not a person that's going to pump things. You know me, everybody that watches my channel knows that, I'm realistic. I try to pitch the most realistic point of view in every single scenario. And when I say that there's a time to buy, I'm not joking around by saying it's a time to buy. Literally, I looked into Ethereum, and this is going off topic. I looked into Ethereum and I was going to buy it at 2,000, lower than 2,000. But for some odd reason, Webull changed my quantity to dollars. So I put it to 1 and I bought $1 at 2,000 a coin. And I was like, why is this not moving at hundreds? And it's only because I only owned $1. So then I ended up buying a little bit higher at 2,300, knowing that this is probably the lowest that it's going to get. 1,800, I think, was the lowest for Ethereum. 19 cents was the lowest for Dogecoin. So know that these opportunities, don't come multiple times. You know what I mean? You're not going to be able to see this opportunity come. And once it does settle and go through the roof, it's never going to get back down to 19 cents again. I don't think it will, unless you see a full correction of it, which possibly could happen in the future. But right now, while we're looking for this large gain, that's not going to happen again. So if we're looking at what the possibility is, if you want to understand what the possibility is as I start to factor in market cap, this is why I say that $3 is definitely a possibility. You look at where Ethereum once was at $4,200 and having 15 million supply. It was around basically a $500 billion market cap, and that's where Dogecoin would be at $3 to $4. At $4, it would be about over $500 billion market cap. So you're seeing a pretty big move. So somewhere in between 3 and 4, it can technically hold steady depending on what the supply has to factor into. So let me know your opinion on Dogecoin. Make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you get your free stocks with Webull down below. Don't forget to check out some of the links in the description. I'll guarantee that this is not over. We're seeing a correction, and it's giving people a chance to get into these positions. So if you can, make your move. But remember, this is not financial advice. It's merely just my opinion. If you want to join the Discord group, hit that link down below. If you want to join as a member on YouTube, then hit that link as well. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next